If you've just purchased a Hostinger plan and you want to create your Hostinger mail account, this video will walk you through the process step by step. It's a quick and easy setup, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to claim your free email and connect it to your domain. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, after you purchase your Hostinger plan, go to the Home section inside your Hostinger account dashboard. This is where Hostinger shows you the main setup options for your hosting and email services. Once you're on the home page, look for the notification that says, Claim your free email. Hostinger usually highlights this as a promotional option, so it should be easy to spot. When you see that message, click Get Started. This will begin the email setup process and take you to the next screen where you can activate your mail service. On the following page, you'll be asked to choose a plan. Select the free plan and then click Try Free for 1 year. This is the option that lets you create your Hostinger email without paying extra right away. After that, Hostinger will ask you to connect your domain. This step is important because your email address will be tied to your website domain, giving it a professional look. For example, instead of using a generic email address, you'll be able to create something that matches your business or brand name. Once your domain is connected, click Continue to move forward. Hostinger will then finish setting up the mailbox and prepare your email account. Depending on your account and domain setup, this may take a moment, but the process is straightforward. After the setup is complete, you can start using your new Hostinger mail account to send and receive professional emails. You may also want to check your inbox settings, signature, and forwarding options, so everything is ready to go for your business or personal use. And that's it. You've now created your Hostinger mail account using the free email option included with your plan. It only takes a few steps, and once it's connected to your domain, you'll have a much more professional email presence. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.